Hi everyone and welcome to RevMax.com. In this video tutorial I want to demonstrate how to create a campaign with a landing page. We've made this extremely simple, so just follow along and I'll show you exactly how to do this. Okay, when you log in, you're at the campaign overview page. So to get to a new campaign, I'm going to hover over campaigns and click on new campaign. And from here, this is where I'm going to go set this up. So we're just going to call this a test landing page campaign 17. Okay, the first thing we have to define is our default cost per click. So this is at our traffic source. Now I've got other videos that explains how to go back and update this later on. But what I like to do is I just put normally my max bid in here. So it's going to show a lot higher most of the time because you very rarely pay your max bid. So let's just say my max bid's $5. Next, I'm going to select campaign type. So we have three types that we can track here. A direct link campaign, that's where you're just linking out to your affiliate network or advertiser. Then you have landing page, where you actually create a pre-lander, a bridge page, or just a basic landing page. And this is a page that is shown to the user before they get to the offer. And then you have a path, which also can be called a funnel, which is a multiple steps of landing pages before they get to the offer. So for this example, I'm going to assume that I just have one landing page. I want to show the traffic's going to come in, it's going to go to my landing page and then go out to the offer. So I'll click landing page. Next, I can select a category. This is optional, but it's just up to you how you want to categorize your campaign. Next, you want to select the traffic source. So I can select any of the traffic sources that I have saved. I'm just going to click on AdWords, and again, this is how you handle all your reporting. So it's very important that you have your traffic sources all set up correctly. That way you can organize your AdWords campaigns versus your other traffic sources. Refer masking on or off. So basically, this allows the refer of your landing page to be shown to the advertiser on the offer. So if you don't want them to see your landing page, turn that bad boy on. Spiders or bot traffic. So this is helpful if you're trying to avoid bots, say the Google bot, from hitting your landing page. You would show it a blank page or redirect it to a URL, or you can allow it. I don't want to allow bots, so I'm going to give them a blank page. Again, you can have a bot redirect URL or a filter override URL. So these are just URLs that they will see if they hit one of those. I'm going to just leave those blank. A percentage to landing pages. So if you want to send a specific amount of traffic just to the offer, maybe to direct link to split test it, you could set that here. But for this example, I want to send all my traffic to my pre-lander first. Okay, so the direct link behavior would just be default, and status, of course, is going to be active. So now we'll click Add Campaign. The campaign has now been added to the system, and so now I just have to do a couple more customizations. And also, it's important to note you can go back and edit any of this stuff at any time to see how you best see fit. Okay, so I'm going to go to Pages next. Now, this is the most important part because this is where you're going to actually enter the name of your landing page. So I'm just going to call this my cool landing page. And this is where you would enter the URL to that page. So you would upload it to the domain that you have web hosting on, that you're going to host your landing pages, and you would enter the full URL to it. So it might be my landing page domain.com/lander1.php. and add landing page. So that landing page is now inside of this campaign, and of course you can add unlimited landing pages. We all know how important split testing is, so of course you'd probably want to add another one. So I just copy and paste this, my cool landing page B, and then of course you would upload the second landing page, and then you would define the location to that. So I'll just call it Lander2 and click Add Page. Okay, and so I can go right back down here and I can split the weight 50-50 if I would like. That way I can split test my landing pages to find out which one works the best. So I can go 50-50 weight, and now this is going to evenly distribute traffic to each one of these pages. So as the traffic comes in, half of it will go to this landing page and half of it will go to this landing page. But there's still a couple more things we have to do to set it up. Next, we have to go over to offers. So we have to add our offers for our landing pages. So whatever the offer is that you're promoting, and you get this from your affiliate network or from your advertiser. Let's say it was a skincare offer. You'd put skincare offer here, and you would enter the URL. Most likely it's from your traffic network. So we'll just go to affiliatenetwork.com/trackers let's just say .php and offer equals 1 and sub ID equals, and just leave it like that. And we would have the tracking ID appended to that. Then we would select our vendor, whatever the affiliate network is, and we would input our payment and click add offer. So again, very simple. You just grab that from your affiliate network, whatever offer that you want to have on your landing page. Next, you have rules. We've discussed this before, and I will highlight this in very good detail in another video, but this is a redirect rule, and this is, you can select a number of different criteria to redirect traffic based on where you want it to go and how you want it to handle it. For this example campaign, I'm not going to set up any redirect rules. That means all the traffic is going to come and see my landing page. Okay, we can add some additional tokens. So maybe there's some additional stuff that I want to add in. You can load from a specific traffic source or token fields or reset these, but I'm not going to set up any custom ones. Tracking, this is the most important page of this setup because this is where you get your links for your landing page. So on your landing page, when you're linking out to your offers, you have to put these links. You have to link out to the offer appropriately so it tracks. So here's a couple of different ways to go about it. One, you have this link which will rotate the offers. So you would just copy and paste this into your landing page. If you would like to hard select an offer, you would copy and paste this, but make sure that your offer number here changes with which offer you have. So example over here, offer ID 408. So I would go over here to tracking, and my O equals would be 408, and that would bring you to the offer. You can also put your offers in a group. So if you want to just rotate through offers that are in a specific group, which is very handy. So let's say if this is a skincare campaign and you're going to rotate through 5 different offers, you could put them in a group and it will automatically do that for you. Okay, so after you do that, you save and upload. You scroll down here, and this is where you're going to get your campaign link. You can click this and test it, and of course it won't count. This is actually going to be the link that you're going to use at your traffic source, and as traffic comes through this, it will then redirect to your landing page, where then as they click through the link and then become a conversion, it will begin tracking. If you need to create a new link, let's say that you want this link is no good, you need to void the link out. You click create new link. Again, it will deactivate the previous link and it cannot be undone, so be careful. And yes, do it. And here's your fresh campaign tracking link that you would go ahead and use this and throw this out there at your traffic networks. Finally, it's very important that you have your server-to-server postback placed at your affiliate network or your advertiser or whoever has the offer. They need to put this code on their confirmation or checkout page. That way, after someone converts, after they pay, you get credit for the sale and it shows up in your tracking. So we have 3 different ways to do that. We have your global-to-global server postback, we have your iframe browser pixel, and we have an image browser pixel. Most of the time, you're going to use a server-to-server postback, but it really just depends on the affiliate network or on the specific advertiser, but most all of them, they accept a global server-to-server postback, and they will tell you which token you need to put inside of here. It says RevMax tracking ID goes here. Okay, so that's the most important part of the whole piece of this pie. Postbacks, if you want to add a postback which will piggyback onto that. So for example, if you want to send the conversions to your traffic source, you would add all that good stuff inside of here. If you want to post, maybe your advertiser had a custom postback they want you to set, you would also set that up in here. And then finally we have our redirects. So this will show, this is going to show you the campaigns where redirects were sent for this campaign. So this is for redirect rules for other campaigns and kind of a history that will show inside of here. Not needed for your average just set up campaign. But that's how you do it. It's very, very simple. We don't have any coding. There's no PHP code. Like in previous versions of our tracker, you don't have to do any of that anymore. You just enter your URLs, make sure your linking code is correct, and then it will just work. And it's very easy. You don't have to know HTML. You don't have to be a coder to get this on your pages and to get it working properly. But after that, then data will start to come in. You can see what's working and what doesn't, and just kind of proceed that way. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know. We're more than happy to help you out with your landing page campaigns. It'd be our pleasure to assist to make sure you get everything set up so it tracks nicely. But thanks a bunch for watching, everyone, and enjoy your tracking with RevMax self-hosted tracker.